Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to customize your product page on your Wix website. It's potentially one of the most important pages as you want your customers to be able to check out nice and easily without any issues. And the great thing is that Wix is a really easy to use drag and drop website builder, so customizing this page and making sure it works properly is really easy. So let's get started. So to get started, head to your Wix dashboard and in the top right hand corner, click Design Site. That's going to bring you to your home page, but we're not worried about that page today. We want to look at our checkout page. So in the top left-hand corner, go to where it says Page and then Home. And we're going to navigate down to the Cart page, which is also your checkout page. So we're going to click on that, and that has brought you to your cart page. And at the moment it says Cart is empty, continue browsing. But what we're going to do is we're going to click on this section here, and it's going to bring up Manage Payments and then Settings. And we're going to click on Settings. And this is where we can start to customize it. So we're going to click on Customize Cart. And firstly, we're going to choose what is displayed in this page. So we can add shipping and delivery rates. And obviously we do want that to be included. You can add in tax costs if you're in a country where it's going to add tax at the checkout. You can add a section with a promo code link. So if you've set up some promo codes, they can add it in there. And you can have a note section if you want your customers to be able to leave a note. For example, if you sell something that has a gift option and you want your customers to be able to add a note. You can choose whether to show the continue browsing link, which is this one here. That link is always going to show if the cart is empty, but you can choose whether or not to show it when there are items in the cart. And you can choose where that links to as well. And you can also add an express checkout if they've got payment options saved already. Next, we're going to go down to Design. And ideally, we need to see what this is going to look like when there are items in the cart. So to do that, we're going to go up to the top right-hand corner and we're going to click Preview. And that's going to show us our empty cart. And we're going to head over to Shop. And you will need some items added into your shop already to do this. And we're just going to select one and add it to the cart. And then if we go to View Cart, we can see that our cart page has now changed to have an item in it. So head back to the editor in the top right hand corner. And now in the editor, you can see what it looks like with an item in your cart. So just as before, we're going to click on this section and we're going to go to Settings. And we were in the Design section. So now we're going to start making some changes. And the first thing we can change is the background opacity and color. So let me show you what that looks like. Change the color and drag the slider up, and that's just going to change the background of this section here, but I am going to leave mine on white. You can also change the color of the dividers, so that's these lines here. And then you can change the text font and color. So for the titles, we can change the font. And we can change the color. And we can also change the body text font and the color. And then you can also change the color of the links. And you can change the button style. So that's this button here, for example. You can change the shape of it, and then we can change the color. You can also add a border to it and change the color of that. And the corner radius, that's going to change how round these corners are. And you can also change the font and the color of the text on the button. And you can change the style of the payment methods button. Next, we can take a look at text and we can customize the text on the page. So we can change the page title. We can change the text on the continue browsing link. We can change the empty cart message, the promo link, the add note instructions, and the button text. You can also add a disclaimer at the bottom as well. So that's how you change all of the colors and customize the fonts and everything. But you can add a few more things to this page. So in the top right hand corner, you can add some elements. So you could add an image if you wanted to, or a video. There's lots of different things that you could add in here. Or just underneath elements, you can add in a section, and these are pre-made sections. So you could add in a gallery or some contact information. And to do that, all you would do is find one that you like, click on it and drag it to where you want it on the page, just like that. And you can come in here and you can edit it using the pencil icon just over here. And just as we did with this section, we can change the backgrounds, we can change the text in each of the sections, we can change these icons and all the things like that. We've got a little social bar, so we could set the links so that they link directly to your social media sites. But that is nice and easy to do. In the top left-hand corner, we can go back over to the mobile view. And you just want to double check that this looks as it should on the mobile, because sometimes things can get a little messed up, but everything there looks pretty good. And the final thing you need to do in order to set up your checkout page is manage your payments down here. And that's just going to open this window where you can select all of the different payment methods that you want to add in. So you can accept credit and debit cards, you can add PayPal, and you can also accept cash. And you'll need to connect each of these in order to start accepting payments. And that is quite simple and straightforward to do. So that's everything you need to know about customizing your product page. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.